So you guys, I will be playing with slime. I don't know if y'all know what this is, but alright, let me see. Can y'all see it? I might have to sit it back here. What is it back up there? There you go. Y'all might can't see it, but it's good. There you go. So hey y'all, I'm gonna be playing with some slime today. What's berry? It's berry. Berry's good. Well, let's see what we can make out of it. Let's see. Let's go. Plop it down. It's gonna stay flat down on the ground. Yep, just like that. Dang it. No. Ski. Also ski.